continuation to our journey of life lessons from Mr. Gaur Das. Mr. Gaur Gopal Das. Here is day two to his enlightenment. We had already the day one in the last week. A stunning reply to boost your self confidence today. Mr. Gordas, he says, when I was in school, says Mr. Gordas, a friend of mine borrowed my notebook to catch up with some of the classes he had missed. And not to my knowledge, he copied of the lessons of the essays that I had written. He then used it for an essay competition, which he ended up winning ultimately. When I got to know, I felt cheated. I was very upset. I felt that this was shared stealing. Another time, a PhD student told me that her professor took her research paper and published in his name. People working in the corporate world, they have often told me they found the reports widely made by their colleagues stolen for their personal gain. Authors have often complained of plagiarism as well. And surely, whichever area of work it may be, we would deal with the people who have such a corrupt, distorted mindset. At the same time, we should also remember that what we possess is way beyond an essay, way beyond a research paper or a report. A bird once asked the honeybee, you work so hard, you toil so much, you put in so much of effort and energy to make and store honey. The man comes one day and steals it. You do not feel sad. The honeybee gave a fantastic reply. Yes, I do feel sad at that moment. But then I remind myself that the only thing the man can steal from me is my honey. He can never steal the art of making honey that I possess. Again, we certainly need to deal with such cheating in our practical way in our life. We also need to be aware that people at best can copy our creation, not our creativity. They can at best steal our technique, not our talent. They can imitate what we do, but cannot take away our ability to inspire. Which is why I say focus on and grow that which no one can steal, and let everything else simply be a manifest result of